Hey everyone, this is an unboxing of an Amazon renewed. This is a premium renewed iPhone 13 Pro. So we'll see how this is. This was, I think, 820 or 810, something like that. 128 gigabyte version. So you get some paperwork in here. This is again the premium, so this is the top of the line renewed that you can buy. So it should be in the best shape. So of course you get cables. You do get a charging brick, a very random charging brick, which you're not, of course, get with a brand new iPhone. And then we do have the phone itself here. So this does have some plastic on the screen, which is, of course, a good thing. Let's see, then we do. That screen looks really good. A little bit of a scratch there. Nothing major. That might just wipe off. No. A little bit of a scratch on the screen. Let's see. My lighting here is not the best for this, but see, the sides look good. And this should be an almost new shape. Basically like new shape. This is Sierra Blue. Again, it's hard to see through a camera and through my lighting. See, the lenses look good. The camera lenses look good. No breaks or scratches or anything on them. This looks really, really good. Alright, so I set it up. Again, this thing does look good except for a few minor scratches on it, which is kind of be expected from a used phone. So we're going to check out the battery though on here. This is the big thing. It came with very low percentage, but let's see what the actual battery health is. 100%. 100% battery. That is amazing. So that is really good. You know, some people have complained on Amazon that they bought theirs and it came with like 85%. And these are supposed to have at least 90. I mean, even if I had like 90%, I'd be a bit disappointed because it's still a very expensive phone, even if it is used from Amazon. So 100% battery, that is awesome. I was really fearing it was going to be at like 80, 85%. As of course, Apple recommends replacing them at 80%. And it's like, I think, over $100 to replace the battery. So this time around, this phone is really good, at least so far. Let's see how it is after I use it for a little bit, after a couple days, if there's any issues with it, which I don't think there will be, considering it has 100% battery life, which means it's very close to being new. But yeah, so we'll see how it is. Again, this time around, this premium was actually really good. Again, your mileage may vary. You could get one and it could be all scratched up. A few months ago, I bought a 13 mini and it had some big dents on it. Well, had some dents on it and some scratches on it. I did not care for the way it looked. I ended up returning that one. This is a lot better. But again, your mileage may vary. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.